Welcome back to my channel. I hope we are all doing well and feeling creative today. In a world full of plastic, fast fashion, and machine made things, there is something very special about handmade craft. There is something very special about handmade crafts. Something honest, something natural, something that connects us back to the earth. Today we are going to talk about jute craft, a simple fiber with a powerful story. Jute is not a special material, it's just a material, it's a beautiful thing, it's a feeling, it's a smell like soil, effort, and tradition. Let's begin this beautiful journey together. This is one of the most eco-friendly fiber in the world. It grows naturally, needs very little water, and returns back to the soil without harming the environment. For generations, just has been used by hardworking hands to create ropes, bags, mats, and daily use items. But today, jute has found a new life in homes, decor, and handmade crafts, and that is where creativity begins. When you hold just in your hands, you feel its raw texture. It is not perfect, it's not smooth, but that is its beauty. Every thread tells a story of patience and effort. As we start this craft, we are not just decorating an object, we are giving it the soul. In today's jute craft, we are transforming an ordinary items into something beautiful. It could be a glass bottle, a jar, a vase. We've shown you this type of items and you can learn from it, or even a tin can, and you can get ideas. Bottle recycling, bottle craft, wall hanging decoration. Things that are often thrown away are now becoming part of our home. This is not just crafting, this is upcycling. First, we prepare our base. The surface is cleaned properly, free from dust and oil. This step is very important because a clean base helps the jute stick perfectly. Then comes the jute twine. Simple, natural, and strong. Slowly, gently, we start wrapping the jute around the surface. No hurry, no rush. Craft teach us patience. As the jute wraps around layer by layer, you can already see the transformation. What was once what was once plain now looks warm and earthy. This is the magic of handmade work. Each round the jute brings character, each knot adds uniqueness. No two handmade pieces are ever the same, and that makes them special. You can decorate the jute with small details, wooden beads, dried flowers, lace, pine cones, and twigs. Nature meets creativity. These small elements brings a rustic charm that machine-made items can never copy. Your craft now feels alive. This jute decor piece is not just for decoration, it carries a message of sustainability, a message of simplicity, a message of mindful living. When someone sees it in your home, they don't just see decor, they see care. Jute craft are also perfect for beginners. You don't need expensive tools, you don't need professional skills, just basic material, a little glue, and a lot of love. That is why jute crafting is close to heart. For many people, jute craft is more than a hobby, it is a source of peace, a break from screens, a moment of calm in a busy life. As your hands move, your mind relaxes. Crafting becomes therapy. Jute craft is also fits beautifully in every space. living rooms, bedrooms, balconies, and offices. It blends perfectly with modern boho, rustic, and minimalist interiors, simple yet elegant. And